Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh and I hope all of you are doing great today. So guys, I'm back with another makeup look which I haven't done I guess in decades now, and I really wanted to do this party makeup look for all you people because right now I guess we all are going on a lot of birthday parties and we just want to glam up by using basic eyeshadows and shimmers, and I'm sure you must be having these basic brown shades in your vanity, and if you do, you can easily create this look. And I have used this palette from Beauty Bay, which is the Origin palette, and this has all the basic warm tones and shimmers in this. And I got a lot of requests from people to do a review on this, and you guys can easily see the pigmentation of these shadows and the wearability is very good. There is little bit of fallout that you guys can easily make out in this tutorial, but it's a very good eyeshadow palette and I'm so impressed by this. And if you guys want to see how I've created this dewy party look, please keep on watching the video. I have done a voiceover and I have explained each and every procedure of this makeup look, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Just to start off the look, I always like to brush my brow hair well and then just fill in the sparse areas with this Benefit Brow in 05. Now I'm using this Too Faced concealer and I'm just going to pat it on my eyelids to make it a primer for my eyeshadows to pop out well. And then I'm just going to use this Beauty Bay Origins palette which has these beautiful warm shades. I'm using this brown transition shade, then using this darker brown to add depth to my eyes from the outer corner, and then mixing it well with the shimmer, and I'm just going to pat it on my half cut crease area and just blend it out really well. I'm just buffing it all in together, and this is how the eyeshadow looks put together. And then I'm going to use this NYX liner to just make a classic wing liner, which I always like on my eyes. It just makes my eye look even more enhanced. A very brown shade on my lower lash line to make it all come together. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really like it when I'm not applying any lashes. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to move on to the base and I want a dewy look. So I'm using this Fasali liquid serum and I'm just going to pat it really well into my face, and I'm going to wait for 2 minutes before my foundation. And I get a very nice glow with this. Then I'm going to use my Milani 02 Natural Shade Foundation. This is foundation plus conceal, and using a Real Techniques buffing brush to just pat it all down into my skin really well. And don't forget your neck, guys. It's very important. Using the same concealer, I'm going to use the concealer all the areas where I feel I have a little bit of pigmentations and dark circles or shadows in my face. I'm just going to use this pack brush and I'm just going to take my time to just buff it all in so that you cannot see too much of product on my face, and I want to make that glowy look really intact. Then I'm going to use the RCMA loose powder. I'm just going to set all the concealer in place. So I'm just going to pat it down very gently. Areas using the contour powder from Wet n Wild, I'm just going to contour my jaw lines. Taking this blush bomb for Frau Beauty, and you guys will see how beautifully it blends into my skin using hands and how dewy my face looks. Can you guys make that out? Then going to use a powder form of blush, this from K Beauty, just to just set it all in place. And then using this MAC Fix Plus, take down all the powder form and make it look even more natural. And guys, this Becca Champagne Pop highlighter really has my heart. And can you guys see how beautiful the highlighter looks after the Max Fix Plus? Guys, I'm going to use this Rimmel darker brown shade, and then I'm just going to use a Huda Beauty Bombshell shade on top of it to make it a little nuder. So guys, I hope you guys liked this look, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and please share it with your friends who are looking for a party look that is this easy to do. And if you guys liked it, please recommend my channel to more people because I would love to grow my community. Until then guys, be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe guys. Bye guys.